we're making one of my all-time favorites, Chicken Dorito Casserole. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. Today we make my all-time favorite, Chicken Dorito Casserole, which also masquerades under the names of Chicken Manana, and in my wife's family, Chicken Enchilada Casserole. So grab your pen and paper, here come the ingredients. You will need 1 small can of chopped green chilies, 1 pound of Velveeta melted in 1 cup of milk, 1 small can cream of chicken soup, 1 can red enchilada sauce, 3 to 4 cups of cooked, shredded, or cubed chicken. If you saw my live stream or the upload, I used about half of the chicken that I got off of that small roasting hen. And 2 packages of tortilla chips. They can be Doritos, but they don't have to be. This is a recipe that you want to add to your very own cookbook. Go back and watch the video. On your page protector, you can write your pertinent notes, like I did. And variations. For example, to make this recipe easier, you get your 4-cup Pyrex measuring cup, put your Velveeta cut up inside with your 1 cup of milk, heat in the microwave for 4 minutes, not over 4 minutes, but you stop it every minute, stir it, and keep going. If it's not melted by the end or completely melted, just let it sit a second and stir. It'll be perfect. And be careful not to scorch it. You can also heat the milk and cheese inside a small pan on low heat, but just don't scorch it or you'll be sad. Ingredient wise, this is your can of red enchilada sauce. I did not have a small can of cream of chicken soup, so I used half of the large one. This is a 2-pound regular box of Velveeta. You take half. And I did say a small can of chopped green chilies, but actually you need about 8 ounces. And if you get these small squat cans, you need 2 of them because they're 4 ounces each. Just some little prep notes to get you through your day. Alright, here's some more prep work. Open up a bag of your chips. So you get that air bubble out. You grab your rolling pin that lets you say you're in charge, and you just crush your chips. Lets you get out a few frustrations. And that's all there is to it. Your kids, your spouse, or your friends might like to do it for you. 13 by 9 pan. I'm not using glass today on purpose because we can put this in the fridge. So, go ahead and pour a whole package of chips. If they're not quite crushed, you can finish them out. But that looks pretty good to me. Then, I have everything ready and mixed. Look at that. Just perfect. When you mix in your other ingredients with that milk and the melted Velveeta, it keeps it fluid. It won't sit up. So, this is so easy. You just pour it right on top. There are debates about how you want to do this. The original recipe just says put it on top. I like to mix it in with the chips a little bit. Because I personally think if you don't mix it in just a little bit with the chips, they're just going to be flaky on the bottom, and when you go get your serving, it'll be a mess. Now they're not going to get completely mushy, so don't worry about that. Mix it in as little or as much as you want to. Spread it back out. Now here's your magic time. If it's cooled off, which mine is, let's say you're making this before you go to work. It's only about 8 o'clock. You can cover this with your saran wrap or press and seal or foil, put it in the refrigerator as is, and then come back from work and you're ready to bake. Get your second bag of chips. The original recipe says to put your chips on the bottom, save a few for the topping, and then sprinkle a few Doritos on top. A few my foot. We like ours extra crunchy. So you get home from work, or if you're going straight through, you've got your second bag of crushed chips, and you sprinkle as few or as many on top as you want. Your kids would probably love to do this for you. Fix the top just the way you like it, put it into your preheated 350-degree oven, and bake for 15 to 30 minutes till it's nice and bubbly, and you can adjust the time if you need to. Because of the chips, It looks practically the same when you take it out of the oven as when you put it in, except it's bubbly. So no need to show you that now. If you like this recipe for fantastic chicken Dorito casserole, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with your friends who like to cook or just want to learn how. Drop me a line in the comments below about your experiences with this recipe and what else you might like to see in the kitchen. Click the bell in the top right hand corner for notifications. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help, even me. We're making one of my, put the Doritos on the bottom and then sprinkle a flippin' flopper. Put your chips on the bottom and safe them. Yeah. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember to take a breath.